How to log out safely from the Indodax app. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the dashboard, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. In the account settings section, you will find the logout option. Tap on it to begin the logout process. Before confirming, make sure you have completed any ongoing transaction or trades to avoid interruptions. Once confirmed, you will be securely logged out of your Indodax account. Logging out properly helps protect your account from unauthorized access, especially if you are using a shared or public device. For added security, it's a good practice to clear your app cache after logging out, particularly if you access Indodax from multiple devices. Now you know how to log out safely from the Indodax app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.